gotta wash our hands. I gotta pick a song. Keep going straight. There's a shoe in there, hang on. What are you doing?
Oh, that's mine. I think
Where's the favorite towel? Corey! Robert, Finley's saying something to you. Richard looks lost. Got him. Ethan, you got any songs? Request? Let me know, buddy. What are you looking for? I can't hear you. Oh. Chopping board? Yeah. Where's the tomatoes? Knife! Knife! Me chop? You go to hell. I'll chop! You ain't chopping either. I gotta wash my hands. Give me the knife. Don't let him chop that, Robert. I watched The Bear. I know how to do it.
Dad, you're getting too close. Dad, catch it up.
Did I do it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You're mute. You can't run. Jacob said hopefully no one gets hurt. Oh, Lord. Mojo said, yeah, the blind guy's chopped. LOL. And Katie said she's not liable for missing fingers. Where's the can opener? Corey! That's Robin.
I need my water. Hey, Corey!
You're gonna get ran over by Uncle.
Corey! Can opener! Can opener! Yeah! Thank you! Thank you! That's nacho cheese! Where's the refried beans? That's a soda. Okay. Robbie! You gotta start the meat!
Why are you yelling?
I don't know.
You can't see.
When you leave. Damn! Shut up! When you lose one sense, the other one's hiding. Robbie! Hey! Is this the top? It's bad luck to do it upside down. Is this the top? 2 taps on the shoulder for yes.
What
Thank
is
you. What is that? Thank you. Is Corey doing anything?
Daddy, why you have that on?
I didn't miss. Oh! Your can opener sucks.
Oh, you heard you yell.
Don't be snitching on Move on.
We should start the cake.
Huh?
Cake.
What?
No, cake.
Ass?
Another word for cake. Or
Robert, what is he saying?
Cake! He said cake!
Are we cooking this right now?
we're gonna start it.
That is salad, Dad!
You want me to cook the cake?
Yeah.
Do that. I need the instructions.
That's salad!
Genesis, quit yelling.
Hey, Mom just said we got meat cooking. What's going on? Mom just said we ain't got the meat cooking.
Hey, I need a chopping board for the lettuce.
Chop that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck off.
You can't talk. You're cheating.
You're pissing me off.
We're only doing half the tomato. Hello?
What?
Do we have chips?
No!
Where are we at? I can't see anything. Has Corey started the cake and
Oh,
two taps
I
on the
see.
shoulder? He hasn't started the cake. Corey!
The
The cake!
egg?
I'll get him!
You know where they are?
Probably the fridge!
Hey, go up. Left. Nope. Go down. Up. Nope. In the middle. There you go.
It said 3 eggs when I read it earlier.
I need. Oh, you got it.
Hey, I'm lactose intolerant. Don't put milk in that meat. Robbie,
Hey, get out of my way.
where's the bowl for the eggs?
Rob, I need a bowl for the eggs.
Where's the, do we have anything to drink? I am thirsty. Ah! What?
Relax. Let me set it down. You're blind. All right, crack them in there.
Okay.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
What?
No, crack it.
Robbie, you should move the stuff so we can see that.
All right, do the other one. All right, hang on. Let me get you one more because you missed the first one.
I missed? Watch this, one-handed. Call me Chef Ramsay.
Woo!
Okay, God.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, sit on your booty.
Paper towels, hit me. Thank you. Chad, how we doing? It is hot in here, bro. No, is the garbage open? Oh.
I don't know why you're yelling at me.
Vegetable oil.
Wow, you sit down. Where are we at?
You just. Are you kidding me right now? Cut that up more. He can't hear either. Ethan.
Who? What can I do?
1/3.
Where's the tortillas?
I got it.
I'll warm them up. How many are we making? I want one. Oh, you want me to whisk? I want to throw
Take
this.
it easy. Slow and steady.
I like to go fast and furious.
What?
Fast. Why? Damn, that smells good. I call licking the bowl when I'm done.
Dad, I feel so crunchy. Look, look, look. Oh.
Damn, this is thick. What?
Dad, stop it.
Where are we at? Whoa.
Ben, leave Genesis on your butts, please.
Can I have my eyes?
Thank you. On your booties. If you can't stay on your booties, you guys can't sit there anymore.
That's Corey.
Grab my love handles like that.
I had to figure out who was who.
Mix that up.
It's Mitch.
Camera.
Ew. Help! Help! Help me! I got gunk on me.
Katie said I'm scared to see the end product.
Who?
Jacob said it's going to turn out well. Robbie is going to work. Is going to work. Ha ha ha
What are we doing? Is the meat cooked? Oh, hey, I'll go get the skillet. Genesis! Genesis!
What?
Where's the skillet?
How much meat? Could we give me skillet? Is this a skillet?
I can't hear anything you're
Is
saying.
this a skillet?
No, you can't eat that.
No.
That's made for cooking. Hey!
No, I can't eat it.
I got the skillet!
Dad, this is not the skillet.
Oh!
Rachel.
I'm not picking that up.
Dad, that's you.
What is this?
I can't do it.
This ain't a skillet. Is there ranch in this? Someone guide me? Okay. Safety. Am I on this camera? Hi, chat.
Dad, take a pen.
Chat, who you got in the Super Bowl tomorrow? Eagles or Chiefs or the commercials? I think the commercials are going to win. What is this? What is this? Tell Corey to tell me what this is.
Odd?
What is this?
You guys want to sit on this side and then I'll move like
I don't know what you want from me.
What is this?
It's a griddle.
Oh! Where's the plug-in? Huh. I can't do this part.
Ben.
Corey! Don't let me dig it up and I don't want to burn myself.
Genesis, sit. If you cannot sit, you can't be there.
How we doing, chat?
What do you need to set at?
What? Can I get something to drink?